Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2026, but you are stuck on what niche to choose? You don't want to waste time creating content nobody is watching, and I totally get that. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 YouTube niches to start in 2026 based on YouTube trends, creator reports, and what's actually growing right now. Not guesses, not hype. And the best part, most of these niches still have room for new and small creators. Before we jump in, here's something important to know. In 2026, YouTube is no longer rewarding random content. It rewards clear niches, strong watch time, and content that solves real problems or tell great stories. So choosing the right niche from start can really literally save you months, even years of frustration. So let's get right into it. Let's start with one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube, the AI and technology tutorials. AI is no longer just for tech experts. Everyday creators, business owners, students, and freelancers are searching YouTube to learn how to use AI tools, how to save time with automation, and how to work smarter, not harder. And here's the opportunity. Most people don't want complicated explanations. They want simple, practical tutorials, such as how to use AI tools for beginners. And why is this niche so powerful? It is high in demand. That is, the demand for it is high. People are really searching for it. It has high ad revenue potential and endless content ideas because tools update constantly. Next up is personal finance and money skills, and this niche is definitely not slowing down in 2026. More people are getting into starting side hustles, becoming freelancers or creators, and are constantly trying to manage their inconsistent income. That means they are actively searching for content around money. Sub niches under this particular niche that are also working includes budgeting for beginners, money management for freelancers or creators, and investing basics explained simply. So why does this niche work? It works simply because people don't casually watch money content, they search for it. Brands love this niche, which means it has higher monetization potential. This next niche is one a lot of people underestimate, which is the storytelling channels. Story-based content is exploding because YouTube prioritizes watch time and stories keep people watching. The popular formats you probably have seen is the true life stories, relationship or betrayal stories, motivational or transformational stories, mystery or dramatic storytelling. And the amazing thing is that you don't need to show your face, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need compelling storytelling. And why does YouTube love this niche? It has high retention, it has binge-worthy content, and it has strong emotional connection. So it is an amazing channel for you to get started with in 2026. Another niche that's growing globally is educational content, especially the English learning or other languages such as the Korean or the Chinese. Millions of people around the world come to YouTube every day to learn English, improve pronunciation, understand real-life conversation, and the demand keeps increasing. The contents include things like daily English phrases, common English mistakes, English for work, travel, or business. And this niche is really strong because it has huge international audience, evergreen content, and viewers keep coming back constantly because they keep wanting to learn new things. And finally, we have video podcast and interview style channels. YouTube is becoming more like a TV platform, especially people watching on smart TVs. Long form content is really thriving. Examples of this niche can include weekly talk shows, expert interviews, conversations around business mindset or trend, whatever you're good at or whatever your field is. And why is this niche growing? It has high watch time, strong community building, and it is great for repurposing across multiple platforms. And no, you don't need a studio, you just need your AI tools to get started. So before you choose your niche, don't ask that question of what niche makes the most money. Instead, ask yourself, what can I talk about consistently? What do people already ask me for help with? What do I enjoy learning about, or what do I enjoy teaching people about? That is how to know the best niche for yourself to show up long term. So guys, if you found this helpful, give this video a like. It really helps the channel to grow. And comment below which niche are you thinking of starting in 2026 if you're a beginner or if you want to switch. If you want help turning your niche into actual ideas or you're looking to learn more about AI tools, click on that subscribe button because that is exactly what I share here on my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.